Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, absolutely beautiful Audi TT. It's a 2-litre TDI S line quattro. It is a 2013 on a 63. It has done 73,900 miles. It was last serviced at 70,000 miles. It has 9 services in total, 2 keys, half leather sports seats, £3.8 thousand worth of optional extras, and it is beautiful. £9,295, so grey manual. This car has sports suspension, so it's low from the factory, and it has the sports quick shift gearbox was one of the options. Matching Pirelli Cinturato tyres all round, wheels immaculate. Rear park sensors, 4-wheel drive, 9295. Lovely wheel, Pirelli Cinturato. Wheel unmarked, Pirelli tyre. I mean, the paint work, this car is just in really good condition. Bows on the hi-fi. Half leather embossed S-line sports seats. Flat bottom multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Looks to me like it's got the upgraded technology package because that's not the standard head unit. 6-speed manual. Button there for the electric rear spoiler. So 73,000 miles. 9 services. Had the cam belt replaced at 59,000 miles. Got 2 keys with it. Perfect little TT diesel. I've just driven it and really like it. It is beautiful. Going to be good on fuel. Goes very well. Obviously been cherished, not stone chipped or dented or scratched or tatty in any way. Lovely example. Electric fuel flap, boot release, electric mirrors. So lovely S-line steering wheel, automatic lights. Now this car has got adaptive headlights, so it's got upgraded headlights, short shift sports gearbox, 73,800 miles, technology package, rear park sensors, bows, adaptive headlights, pearl paint, rear privacy glass, cruise control, sports suspension, aluminium inlays. Right, it's a beautiful car this. £9,295. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other cars. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch it over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will be the first person to know every time we have a fresh vehicle into stock. You will get a notification from YouTube if you subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.